अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस। आज स्टार्ट करते हैं एनाटमी ऑफ आई को। In anatomy we have to study the structure of eye. First we have to draw the eye structure, which consists of basically three layers. This one is outer layer, which consists of two parts. This one is sclera, this one is cornea, which cover 1/6 part of the outer part. This one is cover 5/6. Now we have come to the second part, which is nutritional layer, consists of three parts. The one is choroid, second one is ciliary body, and third one is iris. This one choroid, iris. The internal layer is retina, which consists of two layers. The one is pigmented, the second one is neuronal. This one is neuronal layer. Now we have to come to the lens. Here is lens behind the pupil. With the help of zonal ligament, it attached to the ciliary body. Now we have to divide the eye into two chambers. Behind the lens, this one is lens up to here. This one is posterior chamber, and in front of lens up to the cornea, here is anterior chamber. But the anterior chamber further divided into two compartments. By iris. Behind the iris up to here is posterior compartment, and from the iris up to here is anterior compartment. Now we have to explain here one by one. The one is outer layer, which is protective layer, consists of two parts. One is sclera, the other one is cornea. Cover 5/6 area, it cover 1/6 area. But the question is that why sclera is opaque and why cornea is transparent? Because of the arrangement of the collagen fiber. In sclera, collagen fiber arrange irregularly. Collagen fiber arrange irregularly, and here in cornea it arrange in lamina form, like this. Now we have to come to the internal layer, which is nutritional layer, or uveal tract. Why we call it nutritional? Because of highly vascularized, and it gives nutrition to the internal retinal layer, which consists of further three parts. The one is choroid. We discuss here from here up to this is choroid. The second one is ciliary body. From here up to here, this one is ciliary body. The last one is iris up to here, which is here. Now we come to the internal layer, which is retina, which further consists of two parts. One is pigmented, the second one is neuronal. And neuronal consists of rod plus cone. It is basically transducer, which convert electromagnetic energy into chemical energy. Light is electromagnetic one, and chemical energy is action potential. Now we have to come another part of the eye, which is lens, which is basically transparent diaphragm with the help of zonal ligament. It is attached to ciliary body. Now we have to come up to the chamber of eye. You have two chambers. The one is anterior chamber, the second one is posterior chamber. The anterior chamber is in front of lens up to the cornea, and posterior chamber behind the lens. And the anterior chamber is further divided into anterior compartment and posterior compartment. With the help of iris, behind the iris, this one is the posterior compartment. In front of iris, this one is the anterior compartment. Now the last one is humerus of eye, which is basically fluid. Two types. The one is aqueous humor, the second one is vitreous humor. Aqueous humor present in interior chamber. This one is interior chamber, and vitreous humor is present in posterior chamber.